So we're making chicken scallopini. Instead of veal scallopini, we're doing chicken scallopini. You go down to your little meat monger dude, right? Not their fishmonger, your meat monger. You might be the same guy, you never know. And you ask him to slice it nice and thin, unless you got your own slicer at home and you want to spend time doing it. Look at how thin those guys are. Nice and thin chicken breast. I got a little flour here. We're going to dredge that in there, okay? Butter. You got to like butter. And, oh, of course, our friends over at Clover. We're going to cook it up for a couple minutes. We're going to stick it on a plate, and then we're going to do that. So let's just get started. Let's just do it. Okay. So I got one pan here because that's what's happening, okay? We got one pan here, and I got another pan because I'm going to be doing these noodles on the side. And we're going to do a little garlic, basil, and Italian parsley type stuff. So it's going to be delicious, all right? Okay. I'm going to dredge. I already patted these dry, so they're all nice and dry. And we're going to stick that in there like so, and boom. Okay, I got a little salt. I'm going to do a little salt. We're going to crack a little salt on there. I'm going to crack a little pepper on there. I'm going to let these guys cook up a little bit. You want them to brown up just a little like that. That's perfect. We'll flip it. We'll give it a flip. We'll flip that bad boy over too. All right. So let's grab these guys. Wow. So I'm going to take this and put it on the plate. So you can see all the stuff in the pan. You got little crumbs and stuff. You got little bits. We need to cook those bits up, okay? So I'm going to throw a little wine and some lemon juice. I'm forking it today, people. Forking it. We want to scrape this stuff, okay? We want those bits. Wow. Then we're going to throw a little bit more butter. I'm going to throw some capers in there. Okay, I'm going to throw a little olive oil in there with it. Oh. Just the butter, the scrapes. Okay, now we're going to take that chicken that we tented on the tent. We want that back in the happy pan. Butter in here, right? Some minced garlic. Grab these noodles. I already cooked these earlier. These are rice noodles. We're going to throw them in. A little olive oil, a little basil, fresh Italian parsley. I'm going to throw that in. Now let's mix this guy up a little bit. Okay. A little bit of lemon on that too. Okay. So I know the pasta's done because I had cooked it early, right? You just want to get enough to where you can get those flavors of the garlic and the butter. So look at the pasta. That's nice and fresh and happy. So now what we do is we take this Rico Chicken and we slap it on top. All right, let's get some of these juices. Fresh Parmesan. You're just gonna take a little bite.
Oh, small. I'm not a big chicken breast fan just because a lot of times it gets really tough.
Okay.
But this is so tender.
It is.
I really love it.
Chicken scallopini right here hanging out. That's good stuff. I hope you guys will make this because it really was good.